Preteen Friday!
And we're here with Kinley.
And we are doing her favorite activity, making slime.
But we're gonna do it with a little twist. Not only do we have the good items to make slime, but we have some unwanted ingredients.
We will be drawing either a good or a bad ingredient from this bowl. It's actually a basket, but...
Okay. Since Kinley is the slime expert, she'll be drawing the first ingredient. Dang, she started off bad. That sucks. Oh my gosh. Okay,
Watch,
let's see.
She's gonna get mustard first.
So we have a wheel right here for Kinley to see which bad ingredient she gets. She got marshmallows.
No, I'm fresh.
My turn. Bad.
Bad. Aha. Sand.
Oh, actually, that's pretty good.
That's cool. A little
Yeah.
crunchy, crunch slime.
Because easy is never perfect.
Why does that look so satisfying? I want to get sand.
Why is it red?
Because it's fun. Okay, it's my turn to draw. Good.
Bruh. Boring.
Shaving cream.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna get some fluffy slime. You shake shaving cream, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
No, definitely whipped
just
cream.
did.
Just kidding. Close your eyes, shake it up. Dream, 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 dream.
Good.
Good.
Yeah.
Confetti.
Confetti. Confetti.
My turn. It's bad.
Bad. You're acting like slime is detrimental.
I don't want mustard.
If it's too,
Yo,
Marshmallows.
I
At
got
least you get a
some-
little treat, a little snack.
That's a treat.
I ate them all.
They're okay.
Oh, they're already getting red. Okay, my turn to draw.
I swear if you get a good ingredient.
Hater.
I bet spicy marshmallows would actually look like that.
Bad.
Mustard.
Toothpaste. That's
I feel
so.
like that's probably a good ingredient.
This is just like what people need in their restroom.
If you eat toothpaste right now, you win. If you just like eat the rest of it. All of it.
Oh no, that's so bad.
Is that bad for you to eat toothpaste?
Actually, I think so. You're
like
not
it would
supposed to eat
mess
your
up your
toothpaste.
stomach.
Yeah. Guys, if you have not watched our other 3 videos, go back and watch them. Kinley's turn.
I'm gonna just look at my next one.
Good.
Let's show what we have in our bowl so far.
And
I got some hot
marshmallows.
Cheeto powder and marshmallows.
Marshmallows and confetti.
Now I want to try marshmallows with hot Cheeto.
Mine smells
powder.
good. That smells very good to me.
What's wrong?
Contact solution. I mean, that is
How is that good?
It's good, but
Tell me when to stop.
you tell me when to stop. You're the slime expert. Oh, okay. Splash some.
Everywhere.
Hey, I got a good one.
Good.
Finally.
Good.
Time.
Okay, let's see what Brett got. Borax.
Oh, that's.
What is borax?
I don't know, but I want to do that again. That was it.
Burn. Okay, I want glue. I really want glue.
I don't know. I'm kind of
Good. Okay, please glue. Please glue. I want glue.
I'm vibing with my ingredients.
Borax. I mean, I'm not mad, but
In my opinion. Yeah.
that's my opinion.
It's my
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
I was like, I don't know why we didn't know if that was good or bad.
Yeah.
water.
Water.
That makes
There's a
jiggly
bottle of
slime.
water somewhere.
Water.
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 Everybody say it like pasta wrong.
Water. That's how my pasta says it from England.
Water.
Across the pond.
Across the pond. Brett's turn.
It's like except for everyone else, but like Brett's turn.
Bad. Water.
Water. Water. What?
Well, she is in theater, so I was like, that's good, right?
Water.
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 May I have a sip of water?
Sand?
No. May you fetch the mustard?
We'll do it for you.
I got it. I don't think any of this is gonna turn out like
Have you ever had a mustard slime? Brett. Ooh. Okay, that's enough. Good. I need that glue. I just know this is bad.
What?
It's bad.
You were right. You
I
were
was
right.
Correct. Some
Lotion
moisturizer.
doesn't seem like
Lotion.
it would be
And it goes.
And it goes.
We love some hot Cheeto powder. Make weird stuff.
Yeah.
They, like, make their
Good.
powders.
I am the slime
You're
expert.
gonna
He's very salty. Oh, clear glue. Clear glue.
Yeah.
Finally, some glue.
Blow in the dark.
Okay, I think that's good. Another one. DJ Khaled.
Good.
Contact solution.
Contact solution. Turn.
My turn. My turn.
My turn.
I almost put
Bad.
my face in mustard.
Please no butter.
Mustard.
Mustard. Oh yeah! Wait. Yeah!
Must I? Good. Okay, let's see. Glitter.
Yeah!
She said, yeah. Don't put too much.
No promises.
Like she don't be promising.
Hey, at least I can do this now. Do.
Good.
Sure.
Finally.
Did he close his eyes, y'all?
Yes. I close.
Glitter glue.
Give me the glow in the dark.
Mustard and shaving cream is just in my brain.
They're both bad. So.
Please, some glue.
They're both bad.
There's 3 in here.
Oh. Well, none of 3 were bad.
And it's bad. Cornstarch? Cornstarch.
What?
Should I eat it?
Yes.
It's like
Eat a
crunchy.
spoonful of it right now.
It probably tastes terrible.
Don't do it right now. Don't.
Why? You think I'm gonna like everywhere?
Is it good?
Tastes like nothing.
Wait, I wanna try. It's like what?
She probably.
Soup like in my mouth.
Okay, cornstarch, good snack option. Okay, guys, to finish off, we're gonna each be able to pick one good item ourselves to add.
And one bad item for someone else.
These are the items we chose. I chose glitter glue, and Brett and Kinley chose
Shaving
Shaving
cream. Ah.
And these are the items we're giving each other. Booter. I have. Do I have a spoon?
Done.
That looks like a good Sunday.
Time to mix.
Dude, I can't even mix it. I put way too much.
I'm already messy.
Oh.
Oh goodness.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, the toothpaste is very something. Okay, guys, let's show our finish. Oh, she is the slime expert. How did she come out of this with good slime? Dude, I feel like every preteen comes onto Preteen Ministry
Yeah.
and just owns us. Okay, this is our final outcome.
Yeah.
I failed.
Haley, did you have fun?
Yeah.
We'll see you guys next week. Bye.
Bye.
Whoa, I made slime.
Yes.
What the heck?
Hi, slime.
Hi, slime.
Oh no.